Please, what's up, Jared?
Safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children, and children, please supervise your parents. We don't want to take any unexpected turns on our story. We're going to let the other boat go ahead just a little bit more, my friends, so that way we don't catch up to them. So hang tight for just a few seconds. Well, if it isn't Monstro the whale, the very same one as all of my friends Pinocchio and Geppetto. But don't worry, friends, I know it may look a little bit menacing and a tiny bit scary here inside the belly of Monstro. It's just our entrance into the magical, wonderful world of Storybook Land. Now it's all good stories that start with a once upon a time, ours does as well. So once upon a time there was a big bad wolf who lived in the cave on our left-hand side. But don't worry, my friends, the wolf is not after us. He's after the three little pigs live right across the way. Each little piggy has a house made of straw, sticks, and 100% guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. Riverbend is the quiet English village where Alice lives. One golden afternoon, Alice chased away rabbits through the rabbit hole and fell all the way down into Wonderland, where thankfully became curiouser and curiouser from there. Of course, if that's not your cup of tea, on our second start of the ride and straight on till morning in London Park, this is where Peter Pan and Tinkerbell flew John, Wendy, and Michael Darling over to get to Neverland, so they'd never ever have to grow up. Shining, shimmering, and splendid is the palace of Agrabah. We see in the marketplace the she-rat named Aladdin bumped into the princess named Jasmine, and just like a loaf of bread, he stole her heart. Now they both live happily ever after in the palace up above with the help of the genie and the magic of love. And of course, we could forget that magic part of the ride. Aladdin took Jasmine on over, sideways, and underneath archways to a whole new world. Now, all the stories of love and light also have their mysteries and wonders to them. Just up ahead is the Cave of Wonders. Legend has that it holds the genie of the lamp, and whoever sets that genie free will be granted 3 magical wishes. Now, as we enter inside the cave, let's all make a wish and see if it comes true. As we leave the Cave of Wonders, our next story involves a fair maiden named Snow White. One day, Snow White fled the kingdom from the evil queen and found a cozy little cottage in the forest. Of course, this cottage belongs to 7 dwarfs, and in return for her kindness, they gave her shelter, chateau, where Cinderella lived. Cinderella dreamed of going to the ball, but her evil stepmother forbade it. However, with the help of her fairy godmother, her dreams came true, and Cinderella was able to attend. Unfortunately, she did not make it home by the time the clock struck midnight. So all of the magic her fairy godmother gave her disappeared, and her carriage turned back into a pumpkin where it still remains on that bridge to this day. Now Cinderella lives happily ever after, and her dream comes true as she is now married to Prince Charming, who lives in a big castle up on that hilltop. Whether they dreams of going to the ball or dreams of sleeping on a giant blanket made of flowers, on our left-hand side we have our giant patchwork quilt inspired by the 1933 Silly Symphony cartoon Lullaby Land. And if you're curious, friends, yes, all the plants here at Storybook Land are real. With the help of my friend Tinkerbell's pixie dust, these plants will never ever grow up, just like all the lost boys from Neverland. All of the stories here at Storybook Land are such great inspirations for all storytellers, including master storyteller Walt Disney. In 1955, this attraction opened on opening day with the rest of the parks to inspire many more generations of storytellers to come. Just up ahead is Toad Hall, home of J. Thaddeus Toad. Unfortunately, if you knock on that door, you will not get an answer, for Mr. Toad is not home right now. He's on a motor car ride to nowhere in particular, and I heard it's a bit of a wild one as well. Also to our left-hand side is the kingdom of Arizal, home to Sisters Anna and Elsa. One day they found out that the power of love is so much stronger than Elsa's ice magic. With that being said, Elsa saved her sister's life from a frozen heart. I guess you could say she just didn't let her sister go. On our right-hand side is the village where Geppetto lives. One evening, Geppetto wished upon a star for his brother Pinocchio to become a real-life boy. When Pinocchio saved Geppetto's life from the belly of Monstro the Whale, the Blue Fairy granted them that wish, and now they both live happily ever after as father and son. On our left-hand side is Wandering Oaken's trading post. I hear they're having...
The fireworks, but it's going to just be the connections, no fireworks.
Our last story involves a little mermaid Ariel. One day was pretty much right about world and is doing so she opened the Felix village. Of course, the Felix was evil and only gave Ariel 3 days to find true love. Now the pirates were love in hand, Ariel defeated the evil sea witch, and now she lives happily ever after as human with...
It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.